Unit 4, My Neighborhood. Page 43, Communication. Everyday English. Asking for and giving directions. Activity 1. Listen and read the conversations.
Excuse me, could you tell me the way to the cinema, please?
Go along this street. It's on your left.
Excuse me, where's the nearest post office, please?
Go out the station, take the first turning on the right.
Unit 4, My Neighborhood. Page 43, Communication. Activity 3. Nick is listening to an audio guide to Hoi An. Listen and fill the blanks. City tours.
Let's start our tour in Hoi An. We are in Tran Phu Street now. First, go to Ong Pagoda. To get there, go straight along the street for 5 minutes. It's on your left. Next, go to the Museum of Sahwen Culture. Take the second turning on your left. Turn right and it's on your right. Finally, go to Huan Yap Workshop to buy some presents. Turn left and then right. It's next to Tun Ki House.